Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to find blocked users on Roblox using your PC. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening Roblox on your computer. Just find the icon and give it a double click to launch the platform. Once you're in, look to the left side menu of the screen. Here, you'll see a variety of options. Go ahead and click on More. This will expand your menu and give you access to additional settings. Next, in the expanded menu, find and select Settings. This is where you can customize your Roblox experience. Click on it to proceed. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to navigate to the Privacy section. Click on Privacy to access your privacy settings and manage who you interact with on Roblox. Finally, scroll down until you see the Blocked Users section. Here, you'll find the list of all users you've chosen to block. It's a straightforward layout, making it easy to review, manage, or even unblock users if you wish to reconnect with them. And that's it. You've successfully found the blocked users on Roblox using your PC. It's always important to keep track of your interactions and manage your privacy effectively, especially in online gaming environments. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.